All right, welcome back to Pinball Help. Mike here. I bet you're tired of hearing that. Welcome to Pinball Help. Mike here. Probably me too. Anyway, work continues on this System80b driver board. If you've been following the series, I'm replacing this chip here that we've shown in a previous thing to be faulty. So now I've taken the chip out and I've put a socket in, and I'm going to show how I trace to check to make sure that the socket is proper. So obviously you can look at the schematics here and you can see that the different pins point to different things. So in this case, we know here's our chip. It's oriented the way it is here. So pin 1 and 16 are voltage. So if I know voltage comes in, say, right here, I should be able to check continuity on pin 1 and 16, and I do. And of course, I'll go through and I'll make sure that it doesn't get continuity on any other one. Now, you heard that one little beep? That's because I think there's a capacitor in between this and the thing. So that's not a short. That's the way it's supposed to be. So that's right. So we go to pin 2. That pin 2 is an output, and we know it goes to one of these 4 resistors right here, 9, 10, 11, and 12. That's these. This is R, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these are the outputs. So I should be able to go on this side of the leg of one of them and test the output. There's our output 2. So, and I can check all the others, and there's no continuity anywhere else. I'll go to the second one. The output should be this bottom last pin. Right. Again, no continuity with anything else. Output 3 is going to be across them on the opposite pin. There it is. And output 4 will be this one right here. And so I've confirmed these pins are all working right. Inputs now are going to come from the MPU board. So they're going to be one of these lines right here. Now I can look on the schematics and I can find out exactly which connector it is. Alternatively, I can hook up to one of the inputs and see if I can find. So input starts pin 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's pin 4. So I can start touching these edge connectors. And then I found it. So that's the signal from the thing. So I'll drop down 1, and there's the other pin. So I'll go across. There it is. Drop down. So we know we've got good continuity for the inputs and the outputs. Inputs are coming on these pins, and they go to these 4 pins in the middle. The outputs on the outer pins go to these resistors here that then go to these little transistors over here that fire the lights. So there it is. We've got the new socket in. Now I just have to wait for the chip to come in. Then I'll throw it in the machine. It's probably going to be at least several days before I can do that. But due to the power of the internet, it will only be probably a matter of seconds for you, assuming I upload this all at the same time. So, as always, thanks so much for watching. I hope these videos are helpful. If they are, feel free to go to PinballHelp.com. I think there's actually a donate page there, although I don't know if I've ever really gotten any donations. I probably need to push that more. But I appreciate any and all feedback I get, and I thank you guys for watching.